Hey guys, we have goodies from Nigeria. This is melon. This is bitter leaf, dried bitter leaf. And this one is crayfish. This is bonnet. And this is prawns, dried prawns. In my dialect we call it anything. Yes, okay, I'm coming. So this one is assorted meat, dried ones. Just dried. In here there is pomo, there is shaki, I don't know, dried meat, okay. And this one is dried fish. Different kind of fish is here. You can see that, all kinds of fish. So this is our package from Nigeria. Christmas is sent in already here. Yeah, look at it, guys. Hello guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to another vlog, guys. Yeah, I already showed you guys what we got from Africa. So now I'm just packaging everything. I want to put them in the freezer. That way, whenever we want to use them. Vlogger! This boy. So what's up, guys? How you guys doing? Nathan is saying ayo. Yeah, I want to make a egusi soup. Yeah, this is what I'm just doing. I'll put them in the freezer. That way, whenever we want to use them, we just bring them out. So in here I have all the meats, all the dried meat and the dried fish. Yeah, I want to cook them a little bit so that they will be soft. Yeah, so that they will be soft because they are very dry. I'm going to be blending my egusi now. I've already washed everything here, so I'm just going to be blending everything together. This is one of the easiest way to cook egusi soup, very easy. There are other different ways you can cook your egusi, but this one is the easiest. Now I'm just going to pour it inside. I'm not going to be adding onions. I already blended some onions inside. Yeah, my hubby is not really a fan of onions. So this is just the quickest way, as in the easiest way to make egusi soup. It's just the easiest. So I'm going to be rinsing this inside because I still have a lot here. So guys, I'm going to be adding my meat stock now. The meat stock. Yeah, I have to add this before I can add Maggi or salt again. You know, this meat stock already contains Maggi and salt. So I'm going to be adding a little seasoning cube first. Maybe later I can add another one. So just a little bit of salt for now, because I tested it and there was no salt in Maggi. Yeah, that's it. So now I'm adding my dried bitter leaf. This is dried bitter leaf, already washed and dried, straight from Nigeria. I'll still be adding spinach though, but not now. That will be at the end. Yummy, yummy. So I'm going to be putting the fish and the meat. I want everything to cook together. You know that unique taste when you cook your meat and your food together. Yummy, yummy. In here I have a bunch of different meats. I have a shaki, stripes, I don't know, stripes. In here I have shaki, I have pomo, dried pomo. It's only shaki that is actually fresh here. Every other meat here is just their dried meat. I have stockfish, dried beef, dried fish, a bunch. So at this stage I'm going to be covering it and allow everything to cook. So what I'm doing here, I'm just arranging this food stuff. I'll be leaving some in the fridge and some in the freezer, yeah, because it's quite a lot. So some will be in the fridge for easy access, like easy access. Easy access. Wow, look at all these crayfish. All these are crayfish. They are quite a lot. They are quite a lot. But this is a plastic bag from Nigeria. I remember this bag dying here. Our crayfish. Wow, that's a lot. So I'm going to be putting this in the fridge though. This is not going to the freezer, it's going to the fridge for easy access. Baby, I like the way you baby about you. Happy mama, right? Baby, happy. Let me check my soup. Before my soup go burn, I go tell you the dance. I have dishes too. Oh wow, look at that, guys. Just take a look at that pot of goodness. Take a look at the pot of goodness. Take a look at the pot of goodness. I think we need a little bit of water. To be adding the remaining fish. Just take a look. Take a look at the pot of goodness. Take a look at the pot of goodness. Take a look, take a look, take a look. Take a look, take a look, take a look. You know when you are cooking delicious food, you just can't stop tasting it. That's what is happening right now. So let me cover it and allow it to cook. The final cooking. So guys, what's up? Are you guys enjoying the vlog man so far? So I'm adding the spinach. This is last step now. So I'm going to be adding another little seasoning cube. We need little salt. Look at all these tumbling blocks. We'll still be adding a little bit of water. So guys, at this stage our soup is ready, okay? Look at that. Just take a look at it. So what do you guys think about my soup? Oh my god. Just dried meat, dried fish, but there's more fish than meat though. It's more like a fish soup. It's so good. I'm going to be making a pandu yam. It looks good and tastes good.